All right, guys. So every year, Chelsea and I do this thing for our anniversary where we take turns basically making a scrapbook for one another of the year and our perspective of the year. So she made me, or I think it was my turn last year. So she's working on a scrapbook this year and we take a whole year to make it and then we give it to each other on our anniversary, and then the next year it's the other person's turn. So to do that, what I end up doing, obviously Chelsea has her way, but we both do this, is I take the pictures we have from our phones, we take pictures throughout the year, and then I use an app called Free Prints to get all my pictures, and then I tape them and do my thing, cut them up, and tape them into the scrapbook and all that. So enter the Liene, right? And I looked up other reviews of this company's products, and nobody seems to be pronouncing the name or confidently pronouncing the name, Liene. So this is an inkless photo printer, right? And this is a portable, small device that's gonna print photos for you on a sticky back, right? So we're gonna do the unboxing, and we're gonna take a look at this, and then I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna do the full review, okay? So here we go. So Liene, get this straight from Amazon, okay, $100. Let's see here. Liene Pearl K100 photo printer, 2x3 mini instant photo printer, right? $99. Oh, the white and 10 sheets is $79.99. I got pink plus an extra thing of 50 sheets. So I paid $100, okay? Showed up the next day. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Chelsea's mom's knife. Man, this has to be the best gift I've ever gotten. This thing is holding strong. Open them up. I know. Is it the manliest thing to be making a scrapbook for your wife every year? I don't know. Should I just be stopping at the gas station the 5 minutes before we're supposed to exchange gifts? Whatever. I kind of like it, okay? At first, I thought it was going to be this thing scrapbooking is stuff that women like. But honestly, as I've been making it, it's kind of fun. It's kind of cool to recall what happened. And I do it every month. And I kind of put a little bit together every month. And it's kind of cool to see what happened throughout the year. It's kind of nice. I kind of like it. So here we go. So user manual for Pearl K100 portable photo printer, okay? Boom. Open them up. Here you go. Liene, right? So this thing is portable, but it's got some heft to it for sure. Okay? So it looks like here's the charging port. Uh-oh, my new camera that I'm trying out just started flashing the battery, so we're gonna see what happens. USB Type-C charging port. Here's the power button, okay? Looks like here's the slot where it spits out the photos, right? So let's see. Okay, so you've got this sliding mechanism here, right? So let's see. This thing is about the size. So here's my S26 Ultra. All right. So boom right there. White glossy side up. So here's zinc zero ink photo paper, right? Color calibration sheets. Use the included color calibration sheets for high quality prints. Load all package contents with the printed side of the blue color calibration sheet facing down. Sorry, it's hotter than hell in here. So humid. Color calibration sheet will eject when you turn on your unit or immediately after printing your first photo. So here we go. Here's all of this. Okay. Boom. So let's turn this on. You guys see it powers on right there. And then we're going to go and we're going to download this Liene photo app. Right? So I've got it downloaded. Open it up. Let's allow next. United States, confirm. Let's log in with email here. Okay, verify code. This fly's like half dead. 955-969. 955-969. Okay, so we've got a Pearl K100 Portable photo printer. Okay. Power button's on. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Allow. One, two, three. No printer found. Let's refresh this. Let's see here. So this just starts flashing. Okay, here we go. Connect. Pair. Pretty easy. All right, there we go. Look, that's so easy. So let's try it. Let's print some. Go to settings, color forming paper, task queue, no print job. Okay. Let's see. Turn on permissions, allow all. So this is the next watch I want. So let's use it. Got it. Well, let's try it. All right, guys, let's try this again. So I got this other camera I'm trying out, this Canon PowerShot V10. And this was like my second time using it, and it just said that it was overheating and it's shutting down. I'm here in this garage, I'm overheating too. So, okay, let's try this. Let's try this. I've got this app here, okay? So look, Liene photo app, right? I've got the thing here, all right? Let's print a photo. So let's pick one. So here's this watch I've been eyeing, all right? Print. So guys see it says transmitting, parsing photo. So can you guys hear that? This thing is. I hear it comes with it. Kind of takes quite a while. I mean, we've been at it for what, like 30 seconds? Okay. Printing complete. What do we got? Here we go. This is it. And now it's on a sticky back, right? How do we look? What do you guys think? So right here to my eye, this bracelet that it printed out, it looks brown. The coloring's a little bit off. It's a black bracelet on the watch, but it looks brown here. All right. So, but that's, you know, let's try a person. Let's try a human being. Go to the app, photo print. And I've got, I don't know if you guys saw this, Conor McGregor.
Less of the disrespect, you fucking bum.
Enough with the disrespect, you fucking bum. That's what he said. So I made Chelsea, Conor McGregor, via chat. This is Chelsea giving a press conference at the UFC. Here we go. Parsing photo. So for this 2x3, it takes about, what, 45 seconds to print a photo. It doesn't come out bad. It's struggling with the faces a little bit. Look. Struggling with the face a little bit. So it's pretty hard, kind of hard to peel. Peels off right there. and boom, stick to whatever you want. So that sticks nice. That feels like it's definitely not coming off. So for something like scrapbooking, I feel kind of like this is like perfect, right? If you guys aren't worried about like super worried about the quality, because look, even this, her face looks messed up because I used ChatGPT to make this stupid photo, right? It was a Conor McGregor photo, right? And I just said, make Conor McGregor into my baby, right? So if you guys don't care about the quality of the photo, so the quality of the photo isn't the best here as it is, right? So let's try one that's not AI. Let's try this. Use it. This dark, we're going to see how it does, you know? Now, the real question for me is obviously this is a convenience factor thing, but you know, when you use Free Prints, that app, man, my hair is getting so crazy. Chelsea likes it. I hate it. When you use Free Prints, the app, you can order like 80, 100 photos and all they make you do is pay the shipping. I don't know if they do it off the ads or if they do it off the extra orders or whatever, but you end up paying like $3, $4 for like 80 prints and they just send them to you and they're regular, it's not 8 by 12, but 5 by whatever the standard photo print is. So it really doesn't cost this much. This, when this prints out, let's go over the cost real quick. Okay, so this was an AI photo and it didn't do so hot with the face. It looks like this in the regular photo. It looks like it's doing a lot better with the face there. Yeah, I definitely think this is usable. The photo quality is not the best. But I absolutely think that this is usable. The app is easy to install, easy to figure out, easy to just start printing. I think if you're doing stuff like scrapbooking or whatever, I think it's super easy. So look, let's see here. So Amazon, so I've got this and it gave me 50 sheets for $100. So 50 sheets gets you started for $100, right? So then when you run out, that's your initial cost. Let's go Pearl K100 paper, right? So here we go. Here's Zinc Pearl K100 photo. So it's $25 for 50 sheets. So once you put in your initial $100 investment, you're going to get the 50 sheets that they send you. And then after that, it's $25 for 50 sheets, right? So you're essentially going to be paying what? 50 cents per photo. So to be honest with you guys, Free Prints, that app, which is it's an app that I use, right? Look. Free Prints, right? Boom. You go begin. Select your photos. Right there. Select them. Next. You pick how much, what you want. Right? Here's all your retro, 4x6. Choose what you want. Hide this address. Next. Corel's deals, so I don't want to buy anything extra. So it looks like they did up the cost, but look, so $6.41 for 5. So here I've got deselect all. I don't want 900. I think you get like 100 for free per month with this app. So let me get a bunch of them going. So I picked 80 photos. It's going to upload them all here and it's going to tell me the cost. So look, there you go. So for 5 photos, it was $6. For 78 photos, 80 photos, it's $11.95, right? So what is that? That's $12 divided by 80 photos, 15 cents a photo, right? So this thing, so 15 cents a photo, and that price is always going up. You guys know how inflation is. The price is always going up. Or over here, you get this, which ends up being 50 cents a photo once you end up replacing these papers. So overall, it's how much the convenience is worth to you, right? And how much the quality is worth to you. For something like scrapbooking, this is just so easy and it's small. You could just keep it wherever, keep it in a drawer. When you're ready to use it, pop on out, right? Pop on out, print. Easy, right? Super easy to use versus Free prints, right? It may be a little bit cheaper if you're ordering bulk, and if you just want to order like 100 photos and then forget about it. Obviously, this is going to take you a while. If you're sitting there printing, obviously with this thing takes 30, 45 seconds to print a photo, like we're, demonstrating. That's the other thing is sometimes you might order from a website like Free Prints, and I'm sure there's other ones. You might order from a website, pay your little $10 for 80 photos, and sit back, and then it's going to come in a big stack. Let them do all the work. Versus here, you get the convenience of having it right there. If you need one or two, you get the convenience of having it right here, and you can just use it, print it out if you need something real quick. Boom, you're ready, you're done, you're good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back, I'm going to use this some more. I think this is a pretty simple product, so unless I run into issues or you guys want to have a follow-up on this, I may or may not come back with this if I notice something, but here it is. Liene Pearl K100 portable inkless photo printer, super convenient. As far as cost, I don't know about cost effective. 50 cents for a sticky photo, is that a lot for you guys? What do you guys think? So I'm going to put a link to this thing down below if you guys want to buy it. Go ahead, and here it is. So Liene Pearl K100 inkless portable photo printer. Thank you for tuning in. Stick around, guys. We're going to be back with more videos.